Hey everybody, and welcome to How to Draw with Mr. Gray. Today we're going to draw a linana. What is a linana? It's half lion, half banana, and completely silly. So you want to make sure your paper is horizontal on this one. Get out your pen, and let's begin. So the way we're going to start with our linana is we're going to start on the left side of the paper. We're going to start with the lion first. So we're going to start right about here with this first circle for his eye. And before we do the second eye, I'm going to go ahead and put in the bridge of his nose, which is going to go into his upside down little nose. And again, I have my paper turned. It just makes it a little easier. So if you're at home, you can do it as well. So now we can go in and add our second eye. And he's a cool linana, so I'm going to go ahead and give him cool little eyes. And have him looking off. He's looking off at something. So now we're going to go and we're going to do the big part of his jaw, or his face, which is basically a little triangle shape, sort of a rounded box. Now my favorite way to do these mouths is I like to go one line down, and then I like to do somewhat of a little W and end it with a cheek. And then for his whiskers, you can just do 3 dots in the shape of a triangle. Now we can section off the upper part of his mouth just by adding a little couple lines. Now above both of his pupil, or not his pupils, his eyes, you're going to add 2 little lines like that, and that is going to connect to his forehead. You can go ahead and round the top of the forehead off. Now before we do his big mane, you're going to put 1 line over here, 1 line over here, and those are going to be his ears. Just like that. Now the mane is the fun part, so there's no wrong way to do this, so you can watch me first. But first I like to part the top. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to do these little hills, these little rounded half circles, half C's, all the way around. So ready? And I'm doing bigger, smaller, whatever I choose, really. And then you can go back through and you can hold your pen vertically and you can add little texture dots and little pieces of hair. So now that we have our lion head, we can go ahead and put in his banana body. So from the back of his mane, you're going to do 1 line like this. And that's going to go into the stem of the banana that looks just like that. Starting to look real silly. So now we can go into his back leg. So the back of the banana is going to start his first leg. And I'm going to turn it. So this is actually going to be his big old paw. His big back paw. And you can even add his thigh. Just like that. So before we finish the rest of the banana, we're going to add another paw right about here. You want to make sure you keep them as close to the same, on the same plane as possible. Now I went a little too far, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that because we're going to give him a drop shadow and we can hide that. So you learn these little tricks as you go to make your life a little easier. So now we can put in the rest of the banana. So again, I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier. And that's going to go up into his head. And now that, he has 4 feet. So we're going to repeat these steps 2 more times. Just like that. And before we do our drop shadow, let's give our banana some texture. So I'm going to go through the center of his body and very lightly add a little line with some dots. And you can even add some circles. And then you can hold your pen vertically and add more texture dots on the body. Okay, so now we can give him a drop shadow. That way we know he's nice and planted on the ground. So you remember our little mistake? So what you can do is, as you're doing your drop shadow, we're just going to go ahead and color over that line. So since I knew I was going to be putting in this drop shadow, I was able to fix that line. So as you're working on your drawing, if you see an opportunity to correct it, by all means correct it. But if you can't, keep drawing, because it's all about having fun and staying creative. And that is how you draw a linana, a half lion, half banana, silly animal.
Hey guys, Mr. Gray here, your animal mashup safari expert. I hope you had a blast drawing today, but now take it to the next level with my new coloring book, Mr. Gray's Animal Mashup Coloring Book Volume 1, available right now on Amazon.com. It's full of fake facts, funny creatures, there's a treasure hunt, and the best part of all, you can create your very own animal mashups right inside the book. Just follow the link in the video description below and get your copy today.